Yeah, I need to somehow make this audio crispier than this GoPro mic. So for any of you bike content creators who talk while riding rather than doing voiceovers, what's your setup saying? Because I'm using the GoPro Hero 7 right now, and I don't have a wireless mic for it. I don't think you can get one for it. I think you can get a wired one, but then that defeats the waterproofing object even. So how are y'all making it sound like you're in a studio when you're flying around on the fucking bike? Let me know in the comments below.